Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily change this monitor color settings. So at first we have to click on this option over here, this button, to enter the options. And here we have to enter color. With this button we have to select the color option. Here we have to click OK. And here we have the presets. We have the standard value, which is the 6050 500 K. We have the warm, cool, or custom RGB, but we have it next. To set the preset, we can click OK here. But if you want to set our custom RGB value, we have to click OK on the custom RGB. And with this button as arrows, we can set the different values. For example, we can reduce the red value. At first we have to click OK on the value, for example red value, and now we can lower it to 0. As you can see, our monitor is now more greenish. And let's click OK, and now we can, for example, save and return, or reset, or cancel. Let me reset the settings and cancel. Apart from that, we have the quick view. Let me navigate to the quick view and OK. Here we have the text, gaming, photo, and movie. These are the custom presets too. Apart from that, we have the custom one, and if we click on custom, we can click OK and save and return. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.